Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, I have another Blythe doll here. This is another fakey doll from an AliExpress vendor. And I know for somebody who says she is going through dolls and rehoming some, I sure seem to be getting a lot of dolls in the mail lately. But again, this is one of the dolls that I ordered back in early November, and she just showed up, and we're nearing the end of January. But I have a specific purpose for her. You will just have to subscribe and find out what that is at a later date. But let's take a look. Here's her hands. And here is this red-headed girl. Ooh, look at those lips are dark. It's been so long since I picked her out, I barely remember what she looks like. All right, let's see. Let me put this box aside. They wrapped her really well. All right, so yes, this hair is curly and soft. It's very, I would say, yeah, it's curly. It's wavy curly. It's not like kinky curly. Super soft and gorgeous. Yep. And very dark face up. Very dramatic. I'm going to leave this on because, like I said, I'm going to use her for a specific purpose, and I'm not set up to work on her yet. But so she is matte finished. Now that I've been doing face-ups, I'm not sure what I think about as far as getting matte dolls. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to give her a face-up or not for the reason I got her. I originally hadn't planned on it, but now that I've started painting faces, every time I see a doll face, I start thinking about doing that. But look how dark her lips are. Super, super dark. I love that color of lips. And her cheeks are a rosy, pretty color, not super, super intense. All right, and she's got, these are her side brown eyes, kind of a root beer brown. She should have the typical, yeah, front pink, don't like those, especially on a redhead. Woof, look at that. Side gray. Ooh, and the blue. Wow. The blue looks amazing on her, doesn't it? Yeah, those blue eyes are just intense. All right, so let me take off this. She's got the typical medium-sized A-zone body, A-zone style. It's articulated. She's very fair-skinned, which is what I was looking for. I was looking for a red-headed, fair-skinned, wavy, curly-haired dolly. She, like I said, I have plans for her. It's not going to be necessarily one of the challenges that I do, but it will be a possible collaboration with a few other doll YouTube creators. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you have notifications of when I post that way in the future. But well, her hair is amazing. So soft. Really gorgeous. Beautiful doll. Yeah, and again, this is one of those dolls that I was, late night looking for deals. It was around, like I said, it was 11/11, one of the 11/11 sales, and they usually knock off a few dollars off of a doll, which isn't a huge, I mean, we're talking like maybe $1 or $2, but if you're buying multiple dolls, which I was doing at the time, that adds up. So, yeah, look at this luscious, luscious hair. Well, that's all I have for you today. Just this super cute little dolly unboxing. This gorgeous redhead. Let me know what you think about her in the comments below. And as usual, I appreciate a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe. Have a wonderful dolly day, and thank you for supporting my channel. Bye-bye.